To get Messenger chat heads on iPhone, you will need to use a third-party app or a jailbroken device, as this feature is not natively available on iOS devices. First, ensure your iPhone is jailbroken, as this is required to install the necessary tweaks. If your iPhone is not jailbroken, you can consider using a third-party app that provides a similar feature, although the functionality may be limited. If you have a jailbroken iPhone, open the Cydia app and search for the Messenger chat heads tweak. There are several options available, so choose one that is compatible with your iOS version and has good reviews. Once you have found a suitable tweak, tap the Install button to download and install it. After installation, restart your iPhone to apply the changes. After restarting, open the Messenger app and start a conversation with someone. The chat head should now appear on your screen. You can move the chat head around by dragging it to any location on the screen. If you do not have a jailbroken iPhone, you can use a third-party app that provides a similar feature. One popular option is Facebook Messenger itself, which allows you to use chat heads in certain situations, although the functionality is limited compared to the Android version. To use chat heads in Facebook Messenger on a non-jailbroken iPhone, open the Messenger app and start a conversation with someone. Then, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the app switcher and tap the home button to return to the home screen. The chat head should now appear on your screen, although it may not be as functional as the Android version. In conclusion, to get Messenger chat heads on iPhone, you will need to use a third-party app or a jailbroken device. By following these steps, you can enjoy the convenience of chat heads on your iPhone, although the functionality may be limited depending on the method you choose.